This is the A321 XLR flight here at Farnborough. How about that as a departure with an airliner? Steep climbing turn away, then he'll be coming back towards us towards the display centre, descending to around about 500 feet or thereabouts. XLR is going through ongoing certification and test flight campaign, now in its final stages of certification. In fact, it got its certification of EASA only at the end of last week. Now, as well as debriefing after airlines' recent route grouping flights, attention is also being focused on ensuring that the first operators will have everything they will need in terms of airworthiness, compliance and operational support on day one. Range of the extra long range, this particular 321 is up to 4,700 nautical miles, which is around about 11 hours non-stop. What does that really mean in real terms? Well, that's New York to Rome, London to Vancouver, Delhi to London, Sydney to Kuala Lumpur. Those sort of ranges opens new opportunities for non-stop flights linking primary and secondary cities all around the globe. Complement traditionally some of the wide-body aircraft are serving the same routes at off-peak times, or in case of significant seasonal variation in demand, very flexible. Because of course, you can, if you're an Airbus pilot, you can jump between all of them really, in and out the whole lot, you're multi-rated. Has an increased maximum takeoff weight for the longer range with increased payload. Non-food crop oils, and using all that you can reduce your CO2 emissions by 80%. Should I say by jet fan fryer oil? Slow speed, high alpha pass. It's quiet as well, which is all modern airliners need to be. Yesterday, Virgin Atlantic announced they've ordered 7 new A330 NEO aircraft. Those will be powered by the Rolls-Royce Trent 7000 engine. And also Japan Airlines purchased 20 A350s, that'll be the Dash 600s, and 11 A321 NEOs. Those have been all confirmed as of yesterday here at Farnborough. Day one of Farnborough saw $51 billion worth of orders. So as this 321 XLR comes into land, just passing the British Airways aircraft, the 320 NEO, which is the very, very latest one that British Airways has taken delivery of. Go and chat up the crew. You can possibly, if you use the QR code, have a little look around the inside. And we looked around this morning and it's very much agitated. British Airways also have the 350 mobile simulator